Without using a calculator, work out 1 by 12 into 1 by 5. Show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its lowest terms. How do we multiply fractions? 1 by 12 as it is. This 1 by 5 needs to be converted into a improper fraction. And how we do that? 5 in the denominator and here 1 into 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6 by 5. So write here into 6 by 5. So that is fraction multiplication. Both the numerators you write in the numerator, denominators write in the denominator. Now see, does anything gets cancelled? 6 ones, 6 2. Nothing else gets cancelled. So 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 5 is 10. This is the answer. This is how we multiply fractions. Okay. Next one. Look at question 2. Show that 4 1 by 6 into 1 4 by 5 equal to 7 1 by 2. Do not use a calculator and show all the steps of your working. These things needs to be converted into an improper fraction. How much will that become? 4 1 by 6 is nothing but 6 here, here 6 into 4 plus 1. That is equal to 25 by 6. And for 1 4 by 5, how much will I get? Is equal to 5 in the denominator, here 1 into 5 plus 4. That is equal to 9 by 5. Right? Now multiply these two. So 25 by 6 into 9 by 5. Numerators write in the numerator. Denominators write in the denominator. Now see, does anything gets cancelled? 5 and 25 gets cancelled. 5 ones, 5 fives. And 9 and 6 gets cancelled in 3 table. So 3 threes, 3 twos. So 5 into 3, 15 by 2. I should show that is equal to 7 1 by 2. So if I convert this 7 1 by 2, in the numerator 7 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 itself is nothing but 7 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Next one. Without using your calculator, work out this. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. I should convert this mixed fraction into an improper. So how much will that become? 1 3 by 4 is nothing but 4 here and here 1 into 4 plus 3. That is 7 by 4. So this becomes 7 by 4 into 6 by 35. The numerators you write in the numerator itself and the denominators in the denominator. Now see, does anything gets cancelled out? I can cancel 7 and 35. So 7 ones, 7 fives. And also 4 and 6 cancels out in 2 table. So 2 twos, 2 3. What is left out? 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 5, 10. So 3 by 10 is your answer. Understood? Next one. Without using a calculator, work out this. Show all your working, give your answer as a mixed number. So final answer I should convert it into a mixed fraction. Okay. Before that I should convert each of them into a mixed fraction and then I multiply. Let us start. So 1 3 by 4 will become how much? 4 here, here 1 into 4 plus 3. That is equal to 7 by 4. Now 1 2 by 7 will become how much? 7 here, here 1 into 7 plus 2. that is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, so now this becomes 7 by 4 into 9 by 7. Okay, these two multiply and keep it here. These two multiply and keep it here. Directly don't multiply. Now see whether anything gets cancelled. 7 and 7 gets cancelled, 9 and 4 I cannot cancel, so that will remain. This is our answer. Furthermore, it should be converted into mixed fraction. To convert it into mixed fraction, divide 9 with 4. 4 2s 8, remainder 1. So here denominator will stay in the denominator. The quotient will come here, remainder will come here. So this is nothing but 2 1 by 4. This is how we convert improper into a mixed fraction. Okay. Next one. Without using a calculator, work out 12 by 35 into 7 by 9. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Here I could do directly 12 by 35 into 7 by 9. These things in the numerator itself and denominator multiplication in the denominator. Instead of directly multiplying, check does anything gets cancelled. I can cancel 7 and 35, 7 ones, 7 fives, and these two will go in 3 table. So 3 3s, 3 4s, 4 into 1 4 by 5 into 3 is 15. So this is the answer. Okay. Now the next one. Without using a calculator, work out 5 by 16 into 1 1 by 7. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 5 by 16 directly I can write. I need to change this one. How much will 1 1 by 7 become? 7 here, numerator will be 1 into 7 plus 1. So that is nothing but 8 by 7. So write here 8 by 7. Okay. Both numerator multiplication you write in the numerator. Denominator multiplication write in the denominator. Okay. Now see, does anything gets cancelled out? 8 and 16 gets cancelled out. 8 ones, 8 twos. Nothing gets cancelled now. 5 into 1 5, 2 into 7 is 14. So this is the answer. Okay. Next one. Without using a calculator, work out 2 2 by 3 into 2 3 by 4. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Before multiplying, I should convert each of it. So 2 2 by 3 will become what? 3 in the denominator, here 2 into 3 plus 2. So that is equal to 6 8 by 3. Okay. Now how much will 2 3 by 4 become? 2 3 by 4 is equal to 4 here and over here 2 into 4 plus 3. 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay. So now this becomes 8 by 3 into 11 by 4. So numerators in the numerator you write. Denominators in the denominator. Now see, is there any option of cancelling out anything? I can cancel 4 and 8. So 4 ones, 4 twos. So 2 into 11, 22 by 3. Nothing can be cancelled out. He wants this to be in the mixed number. So convert 22 by 3 in the mixed number. So divide 22 with 3. 3 sevens 21, so remainder is 1. So 22 by 3 is nothing but the denominator will stay as itself, it will not change. The quotient I write it here, remainder I write it here. So 7 1 by 3 is nothing but 22 by 3. Okay. Next one. Without using a calculator, work out this. You must show all your working and giving your answer as mixed number. So here also I should convert my answer into the mixed number. Before that, to multiply, I should convert each of it into a mixed fraction, into an improper fraction. So 1 by 7 will become how much? 7 here, here 1 into 7 plus 1. So that is 8 by 7. And over here 2 1 by 10 is nothing but 10 here. Here 2 into 10 plus 1. So that is 21 by 10. Okay. So now if I multiply these two, what will I get? 8 by 7 into 21 by 10. Okay. These two multiplication write in the numerator. These two write in the denominator. Now, see what gets cancelled out. I can cancel 7 and 21. And also 8 and 4 goes in 2 table. So 2 4s, 2 5s. So 4 into 3 is 12 by 1 into 5 is 5. Sum is not yet over. He wants this to be in the mixed fraction. So how you do that? Again, divide 12 by 5. So 5 2s 10, remainder is 2. So denominator will stay in the denominator. The quotient will come here, the remainder will come over here. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Without using a calculator, work out this. You must show all your working giving your answer as mixed number. So again I should convert my answer into the mixed number. Before that, I convert each into improper and I multiply. So what will 2 1 by 4 become? Here 4, here it is 2 into 4 plus 1. So that is 9 by 4. Okay. Now what will 3 2 by 3 become? 3 here, here it is 3 into 3 plus 2. So that is 11 by 3. So if I multiply this now, what will it become? 9 by 4 into 11 by 3. These things in the numerator itself. These things in the denominator. Okay. Now check, does anything gets cancelled out? 3 1s, 3 3s cancel out. So 3 into 11, 33. By 4 into 1, 4. This is the answer we got. Sum is not yet over. We should convert this into the mixed number. To do that, I divide now. 33 with 4. 4 8s, 32 and the answer is 1. So the remainder will, so the denominator will stay in the denominator. The quotient will come here. The remainder will come over here. So the answer is 8 1 by 4. Okay. Next one. Work out this giving your answer as a fraction. So here I don't need to convert anything. Directly numerator you write it here. Denominators you write it here. Now see, is there any chance for you to cancelling out anything? I can cancel out 5 and 5. So 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into 8 is 8. That's it. He didn't tell us to, it's a proper, so we stop it there. Okay. Next one. 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 will become how much? To calculate this, first I should convert each into a improper. So 1 by 5 will become 5 here, 1 into 5 plus 1. So that is 6 by 5. And 1 3 by 4 will become 4 here and over here 1 into 4 plus 3. So that is 7 by 4. Okay. So this becomes now 6 by 5 into 7 by 4. Write numerators in the numerator, denominators in the denominator. Okay. What gets cancelled out? I can cancel 6 and 4 in 2 table, 2 2s, 2 3s. Furthermore, cannot be cancelled out. So now 3 into 7, 21, 5 into 2, 10. So this is the answer. Okay.